Fair amounts of action coming in from West Bengal, 2 months away from elections, from raids to resistance to protest marches to barging in to charges flying thick and fast. And files also being taken away. Full-blown fury. The Enforcement Directorate steps into Bengal's political minefield 2 months before elections, raiding poll strategist IPAC. And Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee doesn't stay on the sidelines. She storms straight into the middle of operation, accuses the ED of theft and turns the probe into a political flashpoint. With allegations of Hawala money, coal scam links and claims of evidence being removed, the ED versus Mamta showdown is now out on the streets and is now also headed to court tomorrow. So is this an agency doing its job, or is it politics by other means in election-bound Bengal?
The nasty Home Minister, the naughty Home Minister, who cannot protect the country, and he's taking away all my party documents.
The Enforcement Directorate on Thursday raided political affairs consultants, IPAC, and CM Mamta Banerjee walked straight into the center of the storm. The ED conducted searches at the residence of Pratik Jain, head of IPAC, which is managing TMC campaign for assembly polls. Simultaneous raids took place at the IPAC office in Kolkata. In a combative move, Mamta Banerjee rushed to Jain's residence while the ED operation was still underway. Moments later, cameras caught her leaving the premises, holding files, images that triggered controversy. From Jain's residence, the Chief Minister went straight to the IPAC office. As the ED search continued, TMC workers were seen removing files from inside the office, igniting a full-blown political storm.
फाइल ले जाई जा रही है यहां से। ये फाइल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फाइल्स हैं क्योंकि इस फाइल को लेके छीना झपटी हो रही है और ये फाइल फिलहाल गाड़ी में रखी जा रही है। आप देख सकते हैं मुख्यमंत्री के आने के बाद यहां पर पुलिस के अधिकारी कुछ फाइल लेकर आए हैं, ममता बनर्जी के अधिकारी कुछ फाइल लेकर आए हैं। ममता बनर्जी के कॉन्वॉय की गाड़ी है जिसमें ये फाइलें डाली जा रही हैं। ये फाइलें निकाल ली गई हैं।
A visibly angry Mamta Banerjee accused the BJP of weaponizing central agencies to intimidate the opposition ahead of elections.
The candidate list, the party strategy, the party plan. Is it the duty of the ED and Amit Shah? The nasty Home Minister, the naughty Home Minister, who cannot protect the country, and he's taking away all my party documents.
The Enforcement Directorate in a statement said the search was linked to a CBI case filed against Anup Maji on November 27, 2020. The ED alleges that a syndicate led by Anup excavated coal illegally from areas leased by Eastern Coalfields. A large part of this coal was allegedly sold to Shakhambari Group of companies. ED alleges tens of crores of rupees were routed to IPAC through Hawala route. The agency added that Hawala operators were also raided on Thursday. ED has accused Mamta Banerjee of taking away key evidence, including documents and electronic devices from Pratik Jain's residence. ED alleged that Mamta, her aides and police personnel removed documents from IPAC office as well. Mamta Banerjee called on TMC cadre to hit the streets, and party workers responded with protest across Bengal.
Our Chief Minister, head of our party, Honorable Srimati Mamta Banerjee, is fully justified in protecting the property of the party. Mamata Banerjee, as head of our party, is a tigress, and she has gone in and retrieved what is our property, what is our party's political property and political asset.
The BJP hit back sharply, accusing the Chief Minister of obstructing an ongoing investigation.
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কেন্দ্রীয় সংস্থা সাংবিধানিক সংস্থার কাজে এর আগেও হস্তক্ষেপ করেছেন। নিন্দা জানাই, মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর বিরুদ্ধেও ব্যবস্থা নেওয়া উচিত বলে আমার মনে হয়েছে। সেই ব্যবস্থা তারা আইনের মধ্যে থেকে নেবেন।
In election-bound Bengal, the political showdown is nowhere near its end. Bureau Report, India Today.